Hello Space Cats and welcome back to my channel. Galaxies, they sure are beautiful, but they're definitely not nice. Why would I say such a thing? Well, let's see, where do I start? Galaxies contain most of the stars in the universe, and yet how they form and evolve still remains a mystery. Currently, the most accepted theory is that they are the result of mergers and accretion of smaller systems. Spiral galaxies in particular are believed to grow by consuming other smaller galaxies. That's right, they are cannibals. Although related, galaxy cannibalism is not to be mistaken for galaxy collisions. In a collision, two galaxies can end up completely unaffected by the collision. They'll retain most of their materials and their shape, and this tends to happen when galaxies have a lot of momentum. If the galaxies don't have enough momentum, they won't be able to escape the mutual gravitational pull, and eventually they'll merge into a single irregular galaxy. But elliptical galaxies can be created too. Many such examples have been observed with the help of the Hubble Space Telescope, including the Whirlpool galaxy, the Mice galaxies, and NGC 6052, all of which appear to be merging and cannibalizing. The larger galaxy's uneven gravitational pull would distort the shape of the smaller one, and these gravitational tidal forces can completely shred to pieces any small dwarf galaxy that ventures too close to the center of the larger galaxy's halo. This can leave behind a trail of stars, relics of the event that can be used as evidence for the cannibalism theory. The best way to confirm this, of course, is to look at nearby galactic systems where we can resolve the individual stars and their motions. It turns out that the Milky Way is a cannibal. Observations have shown streams of gas and stars in the halo of the Milky Way that are debris from interactions between our galaxy and some of its dwarf companion galaxies, the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy and the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds. When looking at the elements present in the star clusters, which astronomers call the metallicity, and also at the ages of the star clusters, the study found that there were two distinct branches on the metallicity age plot. A uniform and old population from the Milky Way's bulge and disk, and another younger, high metallicity branch associated with accreted globular clusters. They were able to map this branch into 5 distinct galaxies that the Milky Way had swallowed in its early years. Our neighbouring galaxy, Andromeda, is also a cannibal, with similar observations of a giant stream of metal-rich stars, probably from the dwarf galaxies M32 and NGC 205, which are its close companions. Given that Andromeda and Milky Way are on a crash course towards each other with an estimated impact time of about 4 billion years from now, you can be sure they are going to merge into one big galaxy, with the larger of the two, Andromeda, surviving. Yep, we're going to be eaten alive by Andromeda. So, galaxies are not nice, they are cannibals. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments section below what you want me to talk about next. In the meanwhile, don't forget to leave me a like, share and subscribe.